Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're playing Pet Simulator 99 on Roblox Mobile and dealing with annoying lag, I have got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix lag step by step. Super easy and 100% working in 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Close background apps. Before launching Roblox, close all the background apps. Too many apps running can eat up your phone's memory and cause lag. Step 2. Once you're in the game, tap the Roblox logo, go to settings and get set graphics mode to manual. Then slide the graphics quality all the way down. This alone can make a massive difference. Step 3. If you're on Android, go to settings, app, Roblox, storage and tap clear cache. On iPhone, since there are no built-in cache clearing, simply delete the reinstall and Roblox app. Step 4. If your phone is almost full, it is struggle to run games smoothly. Delete any unused apps, photos or videos. Aim to keep at least 2 to 3 GB of free space. Step 5. Lag is often caused by poor internet. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router or move closer to it for a better signal. Step 6. In the same graphics settings menu, turn on low power mode. The reduced background processes can boost game performance. Step 7. Restarting your phone clears RAM and then helps the game run smoother. Do this every few days to prevent lag from building up over time. And that is it. Follow these steps and your game should run way smoother. If this helped you out, smash the like button and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Catch you in the next one.